Right, Andy here again with another wee guitar lesson. This time it's Oasis and Slide Away. Pretty easy to play, it's mainly all just full open chords, a couple of wee variations in it. So let's get straight into it. So first chord we're going to need is A minor, G, and an F/F5. So sometimes you'll play an F, but with the open first string. And sometimes we'll take the middle finger off and play it as an F5, which I use mostly because I think it actually fits in with the song a lot better. And Noel obviously plays it that way a lot as well, just depends. I think the official versions a lot of the time is just the F with the open first string. So what we're doing a lot of the time is on the A minor, we're taking the first finger on and off to make it to an A/2. And on the F, taking the middle finger to change it to an F5. Okay, or we can just play it as an F, or we can sometimes just play it as an A/2 as well. So it starts off like this. Okay, so A minor, 3, 4, G, 2, F, F5 or F for 2. Okay, some say D there, it's A minor. A minor, 2, 3, 4, G for 2, F5 for 2, A minor, 2, 3, 4, G for 2, F5 for 2. So again, at any point you can sort of take the finger off. G remains a G to be fair, but the F again, F. Okay, so all through the song he does that and sort of varies it slightly. So that's the sort of first part, so it's the sort of G, F5, G, F, all the words you say, okay, now that just repeats, hold me down, keeps on going. Then it just swaps, after that swaps in between just the G and the F5. So what we do is we jump from the G to the F, G to the F, and repeat a couple of times. So it's a slide, baby, together we'll fly. So G, F, G, F, G, F, then on the G. It's a G7. So the chorus starts with a C. We'll find a G, chasing that, and back to the F or F5. So I usually hammer on from an F5 and sort of hammer that middle finger down. Okay. So now then we'll see. Let's let me be the A minor. Right, next chord's a D7, and in the morning we don't know what to. Back to an F5. So you can hammer it on or play either or. And just repeats again. Back to the C with 2 of a kind. E7, we go back to the F. Okay, and then to a D this time. F. To a D again. So that repeats twice. And then we go a big G again for a wee couple of big strums. And this time we go to an E7. And there are a lot of wee different chord changes in there, especially one point we're playing a D7, another point we're playing a D. Right, so we go through it again for the chorus. So now that we'll see. Back into the A minor. G, F. That part's the instrumental part, when he's playing the sort of guitar solo and stuff like that. So the other bit is a bit at the end where he's going to don't know, care, all I know is you can take me there. And all we're doing is change between the F and the D. That just repeats it well. Off in an A minor. Okay, so as I say, a couple of variations in it. The A minor taken off to make the A+2. The F shape, we're taking the middle finger off to make it an F5. You can do it with the C as well, middle finger on and off sometimes, just to give the whole song a bit of colour. And as I say, the only real changes that differs for the song is at one point you've got a D7. At another point you change it to a D, and we've got a wee E7 snuck in there as well for good measure after the big sort of G chord progression. So hopefully that's been helpful. Cheers.